Hey guys, I'm Greg with Quantum Machinery Group, and this is our MACC NTM 350S vertical semi-automatic cold saw. Today we're going to go through this saw's features, specs, and also do some cuts to help you decide if it's the right saw for you. The NTM 350S is a vertical semi-automatic cold saw. It has a movable head that can move up to 45 degrees left and 60 degrees right. The head also has rotation stops at left 45 degrees, 0, 45 degrees right, and 60 degrees right. The NTM 350S can be brought in at either a 220 volt or 480 volt three-phase. The saw can make cuts from 36 to 72 RPM thanks to its built-in variable speed inverter. It has an adjustable vise complete with an anti-burr device. Instead of hinge pins, this saw uses double column slides for more accurate cuts. This saw features adjustable stops for the head's vertical stroke. Adjusting these will speed up cut times by limiting the travel of the head in the up position in between cuts. You can adjust the head's vertical stroke by lowering the head to the desired height to clear the material. Then loosen the thumb knob on the vertical shaft on the side of the saw till the top switch is triggered. Tighten the thumb knob and you're ready to cut. The benefits of having a vertical cold saw versus a traditional chop style saw is the vertical cutting motion instead of the arch cutting motion. This will cut down on blade wear and give a more accurate cut because of the double column slides. The MACC NTM 350S is made in Italy, but all the parts and machines are stocked right here in the USA. The control panel has a main power switch, blade speed adjustment, emergency stop, reset button, blade up, alarm switches, the start saw button, memory, blade down, and head descent speed. Adjustable air regulator and water separator is mounted on the side of the machine. Comes ready to go. All you need to do is install the required socket for your power. Thank you guys so much for checking out this MACC NTM 350S vertical semi-automatic cold saw. If you're interested in this or any of our other equipment, make sure to check out the links in the video's description as well as our social media. If you follow us on social media, you'll see new products as well as some customer builds. We ask you to stay safe and keep on fabricating.